What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your Instagram password if you forget it. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to on your settings. After going to your settings, what you need to do, you have to scroll all the way down and find the option called Google, just like this. Okay, please guys, make sure you watch the full video to change your Instagram password on your mobile phone. So after doing so, you have to click on your manage Google account. After clicking on manage Google account, what you need to do, you have to scroll sidely just like this. Then you have to find the option called security. After clicking on security, you have to scroll all the way down just like this, and you have to find the option called manage passwords. You have to click on manage passwords. This is Google's password manager. Google will keep all the passwords and usernames from your mobile phone, and they keep it here. So we want to see our previous Instagram password so that we can put it in and change our old password. So after doing so, you have to click, scroll down and find the Instagram icon, just like this. Then you have to click on Instagram. After that, you have to put your face ID or your fingerprint or your password, screen password of your mobile phone. Then you will land a page just like this. After doing so, you can see here is the Instagram username and passwords of yours. You can pretty much copy those passwords and the usernames and log in into your Instagram account, and then you can change your Instagram password and put a new password on your Instagram account. So this is how you can change your Instagram password on your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.